Teacher loan forgiveness options. Welcome to efficiencybook.com. We're going to go over the 3 options for getting your student loans forgiven. If you're a teacher, stay tuned. This is going to be very important information that could potentially save you a good amount of money or also just reduce your monthly payment on your loans. So check this out. Here's our video review. Thanks for looking into stabilizing your future and reducing your teacher loan debt. Here's this video. We're going to jump right into this. So as you may know, student loan debt has surpassed credit card debt. According to Forbes, we are now $1.5 trillion in debt for student loans these days. So if you're looking to reduce that, here's 3 examples of how to do so. The first is teacher loan forgiveness. All of these links will take you to the federal government websites to walk you through the exact information on these. Please do your due diligence, check out the paperwork, and make sure you have the proper forms filed before looking into this to get your loans paid back. So teacher loan forgiveness, the requirements: you must work at a Title I school or a high needs school. You can't miss any of your loan payments, and you need to have a degree or be teaching in a specific field. So this first link will show you exactly what those requirements are, what the direct, subsidized, and unsubsidized loans look like, and then there's going to be a number of years of service as a requirement as well. So make sure that you connect with this website to get those requirements and make sure that you qualify. The second program is loan cancellation. This is an older program, so it might not be applicable to most people, but we want to get it out there to you just in case. So the link again for that is number 2. This will take you to the state of Colorado. Again, if you live in a different state, do your due diligence, check out your state-specific programs as well. But this is going to be the teacher cancellation of the federal Perkins loan. Lastly is our public service loan forgiveness program. That's going to make sure that as long as you're working for a public sector, this might be an option for you. If you've made 120 qualifying payments, that's 10 years worth of payments. You might want to look into income-based repayment plans, just because typical student loans are for 5 years, so it's hard to get the government to repay 10 years worth of loans if you've already paid that loan off in 5 years. So there's also links to the income-based repayment plan. And then lastly, check out these 10 tips for students and avoid making these mistakes. First one, make sure you're thinking of public service loan forgiveness. It's not automatic. You actually have to apply for this. Number 2 is you have to make sure you complete the employment verification form. You also have to submit an employment certification form without any errors. Make sure that this is signed by your employer. And now you have to make sure that you're not just enrolling for income-driven federal loan repayment plans. Just like we mentioned previously, this has to be a federal loan forgiveness program, not just the repayment plan. The repayment plan will simply reduce your monthly payment, and the government will pay the difference based on how much your income is. So that, again, is the income-based repayment plan. For more of these tips, check out the rest of this article. Check out all 10 tips here. If you're looking to maximize your future, also check out the link below. Certified life coach and professional education consultant here to walk you through what the return on your investment could be if you decide to get more education. Not only will more education make you a more effective teacher and help your teaching skills improve, but most likely, depending on what school district you work in, you could get, on average, a 7% pay increase per year. Now, if you know anything about compound interest, 7% each year is going to leave you much further ahead financially than if you just stayed at the same pay level without your master's degree. This is Wade with efficiencybook.com. Make sure you like this video and let us know if it helped you or not.